More than 75 Republicans have signed their names to a legal brief in support of gay marriage. It's a move at odds with House Republicans and meant to sway the Supreme Court just before they hear arguments on the issue. The New York Times got its hands on a draft of the document. It argues that same-sex marriage promotes family values by allowing children of gay couples to grow up in two-parent homes, and that it advances conservative values of limited government and maximizing individual freedom. Among the GOP signers, former candidate for California Governor Meg Whitman, former Ohio lawmaker Deborah Price, and James Comey, a top official in George W. Bush's Justice Department. Former Utah Governor Jon Huntsman also signed on in support of gay marriage. He took a more progressive stance on civil unions than his competitors in last year's GOP primary, and he announced his support of gay marriage publicly in an op-ed last week. The legal brief will be submitted to the Supreme Court. The justices are set to hear arguments next month on whether to overturn California's Proposition 8 that banned gay marriage. The court's ruling could have ramifications for the Federal Defense of Marriage Act, a law that House Speaker John Boehner is spending $3 billion in taxpayer dollars to defend. This latest legal brief shows a divide among Republicans on gay marriage. Although plenty of former officials have signed on, it's worth noting the lack of currently serving Republicans who are attaching their names. It's likely just another sign of the power a Republican base still wary of gay marriage holds in the party. For Newsy, I'm Zach Toombs. Multiple sources, a broader view.